It's a tornado tag. No tags necessary in this one.
The most chaotic form of tag team wrestling around, the tornado tag truly lives up to its name. My condolences to the referee.
Oh, snapmare.
Thunderous splash connects.
Counters. She's taking things to the floor here.
Look at this ring, that chair with some vengeance.
Powerbomb planted. What goes up must come down, and it sure as hell did right there.
Ooh, the forearm connects. Tilt-a-whirl arm drag. Caught with a lariat.
Dropped with a scoop slam.
A stipulation like this clearly has to favor the more vicious superstar.
That's true, but you can't always predict who that is going to be. No DQ has a way of bringing out the bloodthirsty rage inside even the most well-mannered superstars.
Oh, what a forearm. Lands a timely reversal and gets tossed back into the mat. There's Kyrie turning the table. Running Hurricane Rana. You have solidified your name as a top athlete when you're able to pull off that move. Oh, and a big uppercut. One step ahead in the takedown. Ooh, he fends that off. Oh, my God. Poison Rana.
Directly into the pin attempt.
Look like they still got enough energy for a simple kick out. And he bends off the attack.
And Clown got exposed with that maneuver. Calculating the next move here.
Can't prepare your face for that. A string of counters.
Looking to go up high.
From the top, powerbomb. That powerbomb was absolutely worthy of both halves of its name.
I'm all for getting in the head of your opponent, but there's a point where she has to lock up. From the middle rope.
Oh, got the knees up. Saw it coming.
Oh, drop kick. Crash. Pin attempt by Psycho Clown. He breaks the ref's count after one.
His opponent has to be absolutely frustrated right now.
Alabama slam.
Oh!
Headed back into the ring. Looking to explore things ringside now. Kick to the midsection, sunset flip, code red. Climbing to the top. What's he have in store? Uh-oh. Way too...
That had to have hurt just as much as it hurt your opponent.
No one comes out unscathed with a high-risk move like that. This match drifting even closer to us now.
I'm sure we'll be okay, but I'm starting to worry about our announce table.
Oh, no. Why are they clearing off our announce table? Well, looking to put the match away here. He comes to the rescue for his team. He'll make his way to the ring. Got the cover.
Is it enough to close this out?
Psycho Clown almost negating the pin attempt here.
Tell me I didn't just see that.
Up high!
Oh, big time splash.
Cover for the win!
Ruka gets intercepted.
Able to steer clear of danger there.
Clown back to the outside now.
Good night. What a stunner. Vicious double axe handle. Saying about to launch into orbit.
Oh, and she doesn't connect.
It'll set out powerbomb.
Thunderous impact.
What is going on here? Oh my, this is disgusting. That face.
She's got her pin. This might be the end.
She's abandoning the pin, I'm guessing, to deal even more damage. Grabbing hold of a kendo stick. This is getting better by the second.
Gets the reversal. What a counter.
Hoisted up. Big power slam. Absolutely devastating.
Two. What a in this tornado tag match.
As an expert on tag team action, I gotta applaud the way these men dealt with tornado tag rules.